first thing to do is gather all the equipment, alcohol, hot compress bag, gloves, towel, waterproof pad. Hello ma'am, I'm Jaren Silo, your student nurse for today. May I verify your full name, age, and birthday?
My name is Minchie Lipasano. I'm 36 years old, October 5, 1989.
Okay po ma'am, so I'm here po to provide you some hot compress po to relieve some pain, inflammation, and muscle soreness po. Don't worry po ma'am, I'll be guiding you po during the assessment po. All I need is your cooperation lang po. Is that okay with you ma'am?
Okay lang po.
Okay, so now I'm going to provide you some privacy po ma'am. I close the curtain and also perform an hand hygiene. Then, wear gloves. To prevent the spread of microorganisms. And now, position the client in the comfortable position. After that, maglagay na ng waterproof pad sa ilalim ng parte ng katawan ng patient na lalagyan mamaya ng hot compress. Pagkatapos lagyan ng waterproof pad, ang hita ng pasyente, maglalagay na ng tubig ng 2 to 3 water yung hot bath. After malagyan ng tubig yung hot compress bag, lalagyan ito ng towel. And take note, if yung pasyente is conscious, yung temperature is 40 to 50. If yung pasyente naman is unconscious, yung temperature is 40.6 to 50. Then ilalagay na natin yung hot compress sa hita ng pasyente. After that, i-monitor yung pasyente and also kung may skin reaction. Pati na rin yung oras ng paglagay ng hot compress. Pagkatapos nyan, i-dispose na yung ginamit na gloves. Then, mag-hand hygiene ulit. Pagkatapos, i-document yung hot compress application, pati na rin yung response ng pasyente. So, we're done na po, ma'am. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay. So, first thing to do is gather all the equipment, alcohol, waterproof pad, ice bag, and also the gloves. Hi ma'am, I'm Gerald Silo, your student nurse for today. May I verify your full name, age, and birthday?
My name is Minchie Lipasano. I'm 36 years old, October 5, 1989.
So, okay po ma'am, I'm here po to provide niyo po some cold compress po para mabawasan yung sakit at pamamaga po. If may nararamdaman po kayong discomfort during the procedure po, magsabi lang po kayo ma'am. And also ma'am, yung paglalagay po ng cold compress, hindi po siya masakit ma'am. Malamig lang po siya. Okay po?
Opo.
So, I'm now going to provide the patient privacy. I close the curtain. And now, perform the hand hygiene. After that, wear gloves to prevent the spread of microorganisms. After that, position the client in the comfortable position. Ma'am, ayusin ko lang po yung pagkakahiga niyo po, ma'am. Permission to touch you po.
Okay po.
Then, after positioning the client in the comfortable position, maglalagay na ako ng waterproof pad sa ilalim ng hita ng pasyente. Iangat ko lang po, ma'am. After ko lagyan ng waterproof pad ang hita ng pasyente, maglalagay na ako ng ice pack sa ice bag. Then, ilalagay ko na. After that, i-check yung skin ng pasyente after 30 minutes. Then, dispose the gloves and perform an hand hygiene. Then, i-assess ulit yung pasyente para maging comfortable yung paghiga niya. Lang po, ma'am.
Okay lang po.
And, ma'am, kamusta po yung pakiramdam niyo po? May nararamdaman po ba kayong hapde? Or kakaiba po during the procedure?
Wala naman po.
Okay po, ma'am. So, I'm now going to document and report the procedure. So, ma'am, we're done na po. Thank you for your cooperation, ma'am. If you need anything, just call the bell lang po.
Thank you.
Okay